right here. Can you pull that off?
Okay, Kinley will be 2 in a week, and this is her first birthday present from Grandma and Grandpa. Typing.
Really good. Okay, go down. Get it.
Copper, go lay down. You don't get. You're not. It's not for you.
On this.
Go lay down, Copper. Go. The battery is about to die. Copper, go lay down.
Look at that. What is this? Baby. What's this? It's a stroller. Look, it's a stroller you can put your babies in. You excited? No? Okay, we gotta...
Sweetie, do you want to go get a baby? Do you want to go get a baby? Oh boy.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Wow. Do you want to go get a baby? Because you need a baby to play with. Alright. Can you, hey, look at Mommy. Can you say thank you? Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. What is that? Is that a stroller? Kinley, are you excited? Yeah. I know. Oh, what color is it? Pink, yeah. Okay, hold on. Mommy will help you.